Hey guys, it's this little girl creation, and today I'm going to show you how to make the little snowman that Elsa sneezes when she sneezes. They're like mini little. First, you get 2 pots that are about the same size. That one's a little bigger, and you fill them up with water about an inch up. And then while the water is in there on the stove, you put it about on high, until it boils, until the water boils. Same thing with the other one. And now when the water is boiling, you can put your marshmallows in a metal bowl. So you'll get a handful of mini marshmallows, and you'll put them in the metal bowl, like that. And now you can put it over the stove, and you can just start mixing it, and make sure you watch it. Same thing with the chocolate. Put it in the bowl. Put it on here. And then mix and watch it, just in case something bad happens. And it's already pretty kind of good. And you'll just keep it on the stove and mix it until it's like really soft, like this.
And you do the same for the marshmallows. And you need to make sure you do it really fast because it's going to get all messed up.
And we're going to use this for the glue. So you'll get 2 little marshmallows and 1 big marshmallow, and you get the marshmallow glue and put them like that onto the big marshmallow. And then you spread glue on the flat side of this one, and then you'll stick it on just like that. And then you'll dip your toothpick in the chocolate like that, and then you'll draw a little face on your top marshmallow. And this creation was made by Mommy, so make sure you go check that video out.
This is what they should look like when they are done.
It's so cute and good. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.